Hi there, I'm Amy Cooper, the President-elect for the Eastern Panhandle Board of Realtors. I'm bringing you the May 2023 President's Circle. EPBR is continuously growing. We are currently at 872 total members. This month, EPBR gave out 8 $500 scholarships to local graduating seniors. We had so many amazing applicants, and it was a tough decision on who was going to be awarded our scholarships this year. Everyone that applied was truly deserving. Our annual Cornhole for a Cause event was a great success this year, and we were lucky to have beautiful weather. Our annual charity bowling tournament is coming up the first week in August, so keep an eye out for the date and more information to come. There is a new requirement starting in 2025 for all realtors to have 2 hours of fair housing training every 3 years. This is in addition to the current requirement for the Code of Ethics. Lastly, don't forget to register for the Riding with the Brand event, which is June 21st. It's going to be held at Rocky Gap Resort, and it is free for all members and their families. You do have to register to go online to wvrealtor.com to sign up today. Thanks, and have a great afternoon.